everybody, my name is Elizabeth Joy. I'm a certified birth doula and a podcaster and hosting the Elizabeth Joy YouTube channel. And today I'm going to share with you guys how to make homemade hand sanitizer. So the things that you're going to need for it is a squeeze bottle. Any type works. I know a lot of people have extra little mini shampoo, conditioner, body wash bottles. All of those types of things are really, really great. You're going to need a funnel. I like to use a popsicle stick to kind of help scrape the ingredients. It's not mandatory though. You need a tablespoon measuring stick, a teaspoon measuring spoon, aloe vera, tea tree oil, vitamin E oil, which was in the teaspoon, and distilled or filtered water. So the first ingredient is going to be aloe vera. It's really important to find a good aloe vera that doesn't have tons of other ingredients in it and a lot of other stuff that maybe you don't know what it is. That would be a good time to use the EWG website or that Think Dirty app. Enter in the brand that you have, make sure that it's a clean product to use. So you're gonna put 3 tablespoons of this in. So I also got a tiny popsicle stick to kind of help scrape everything out. Scrape it through the funnel. So the next ingredient we're going to use is a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So again, this is another product that you're going to want to make sure that you have a really good quality product. There's a lot of different vitamin E oil out there, and if you can get pure, it's really good. There's a lot of vitamin E oil that's mixed with soybean oil, and soybean oil is not that great for you. I'm going to do another video on the effects of soybean oil. They're finding out that it has all sorts of negative effects on your body in there as well. So the whole point of the aloe vera and the vitamin E oil is that they help nourish your skin and keep it healthy and hydrated and nourished. The aloe also gives it that jelly texture that we're used to with hand sanitizers. This next one is tea tree oil. Again, look at the brand that you use. So I used Melaleuca from doTERRA, and you put 5 drops in. So the cool thing about tea tree oil is that it contains different compounds that help kill germs, bacteria, viruses, things like that, which make it an awesome oil to use to help fight off germs, ward off viruses, and all of that. And also it doesn't have any of the negative chemicals, side effects that the chemicals in hand sanitizers do. So the last ingredient for our hand sanitizers going to be 1 tablespoon of filtered water. And I like to use distilled water just because everything's already kind of been boiled out of it. So you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water. I like to put the water in last because it kind of helps just kind of wash everything down the funnel. I like these funnels because they're silicone, so you can kind of squeeze everything down into it. Voila! And we have a homemade hand sanitizer that is healthy, nourishes your skin, is non-toxic. Show you guys here. Voila! Don't forget to check out my other videos at Elizabeth Joy. I'm starting to put out more stuff, more homemade recipes, and I'm really going to be honing in and focusing on different things that affect your hormones, especially when it's coming to trying to conceive. But not only that, in pregnancy, there's some really cool research and studies coming out, and I just want all of you mamas to have all of the information and the best possible stuff you can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing from you guys.